How to enable or disable one-click trading on Etoro. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off one-click trading option on Etoro. So first thing we do is we go to Etoro app. As you can see, this is the home page. Now first you should go to those three lines here in the top corner, click on them, and then choose the settings option right here. Click on settings, and after that you have to go to trading, the option of trading, click on it, then go down and you will find one click trading option. You can turn it on or turn it off as you want in easy fast way. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching till the end.